Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Unique Makes by Christina. Today I have a Temu haul to share with you. I got some crafty things and some other little extra stuff. And if you are new to Temu, I do have a Temu code to share that you could use, and I also have a $100 coupon code that you could use to even save more money. So let's get into this. Okay, the first thing I had to share with you, you know I had to get my cute little bows. So I got another bag of this bows that I love. Look at this, let me show you. So these aren't that small. Look at that. And look at the shine on that. And they do fit on a beatable pen and on your pokey tools. No, let me show you the hole first so you can see. No, let me show you in a darker one. Look at the hole. So it is big enough. Look at that. Look at that. So yeah, so I was able to get my hand on these again. They were out of stock for a little while, so I was able to order it when they came back in stock. So if you like bows like me, get your hands on some of these. And like, I will have the link below so that you could get yours too. And I also have a blog that I just started, so if you're ever curious on some of the stuff that I buy, I'm always looking on the internet for cute things, and I always post it on there, so feel free to look it up on my blog because I always post on there also. Okay, I have these little flatbacks, and these are like sweets. You know me, I'm all about cute. I always was since I was a kid, and I always will be no matter how old I am. Look at that. How cute is that? I think I'll be, I don't know how old I will be when I don't know how old I will last, but I'll probably be an 80-year-old, 90-year-old, whatever it is, and still be, into Hello Kitty. So, yeah, that's me. And I have no shame. And neither should you. You love what you love, right? So that's sweets. That's a sweet one. And some of them actually you could turn into, you could actually turn into charms. So that's actually pretty nice. Okay, now this is heart balloons. This one's actually from the sweet. I don't know why that's in there. Look at that. How cute is that? Now, I wish I had at least one more of the blue one. Now, if anybody has done the decadent stuff, this flatbacks will be good with that. And that's why I got some of the flatbacks. I could do some of the decadent decorating stuff. And if you don't know what decadent is, whipped cream glue. And it's like fake frosting. I do have some sequins for like to make shaker mixes. So I have some yellow hearts. See that? And this site has different colors, and I have a video that has a different color in there. So I did buy a blue one before, but I got the yellow this time. How pretty is that? And then this one is a different type of sequence mix. And this one is blue. And look at that iridescent shine. So I got that one. Okay. And the next one I have is this green. That's a pretty green. Look at that. Got that one. And then this one here is stars, and it's a bigger pack. And this is from a different shop. See if it shows them. Oh, it got the bigger sticker back there. And this is also iridescent. So that's for my, that was for my sequence mix. Get there. So I did also get some dies I want to share with you. Put that over there. The first one is a frame. And this one, look at that. This one's a flower frame, and it does have two pieces right here. So this actually will be nice with one of the, with the sequins. So yeah, it does come with extra flowers, and it does have a stitching. It does got a little border to it, so it's actually real nice. So that's a nice one there. So I did also get a word die. Okay, this one, let me move this one out the way. I want to say this is an Easter die, so I think this one says Christ. This one's Jesus. And I am not sure what the other ones are, but I will have a photo in the video so we can see what those are, because I am not great at figuring what those are. But yeah, this is, I believe, an Easter one. Okay, the next one is the hedgehog. This is actually a real good size. Okay, and this one has, so you got the main piece, the stitching piece, and then you got the actual body. And it does come with the eyes, the hand, the paws. It does have a heart, the heart thingy. It does have a bow, and then got the, even for the nose and the eyes. And we got the stuff for the ears. So yeah, it's actually pretty nice. So you can make this into a lot of stuff. You can make this into an album. You can even make this into a box if you wanted to. That's a nice one. Okay, the next one here I have is the baking spoons. Okay, here you have different sizes. Okay, so you got the back piece, and then you got the layering piece. So you got 1 spoon, 2 spoons, 3. So you got 4 spoons here. So each one you got a back and then the layering piece. So it's actually pretty nice. So you can make a shaker for each one. So that's actually pretty cute. So I like that. Next one I have here is a bow. And this one you have I think two sizes. So you got the smaller one and the bigger one, and you got the back piece and the layering. So the back one, okay, so this one, let's see how this one goes. Okay, I believe that's the back, and this is a layering. Yeah, and then that's a small one. So you got the 2 here. It's actually pretty cute also. And then the next one here is a chef's hat. Look at that one. Okay, this one you have 1, 2. So you got the back piece, the layering piece, and the main piece, and then you got the little part here for the hat. So that's actually nice. And then you do got the little creases for where the hat kind of has the little lines. So this is also, you can make into an album or a box or a bag or whatever. So that's actually cute too. That's a nice one. Okay, the next thing, actually I do have another die. The next die I have is an Easter die, and it's a banner. And this is small. I thought it would be bigger. But this one has Easter Bunny, Sunday Peeps, and Chick. And so you got the words that could go within this banner. And then you also could cut it to make it a shaker. And you also got little elements that you could add to it. Actually not bad. Okay, in this box I bought, this is not really crafty, but what I have is an earring holder, because I also make some earrings, and I wanted something so I could display it. Okay, so this one comes with a stand, and it's actually pretty easy to do, and then you just put it within the holes there. Okay, and it comes with hangers. And it does have little stuff, the protectors to take it off, but just to show you. And before I do that, it has a hose where you put your earrings on there and just hang it on there to display. How cute is that? I think that is so cool. So I even got that. Okay, and let me show you one other thing that I have. Alright, I've been trying to get some little suitcase. Well, I wanted the color ones, but they're always expensive. And so I actually ran into this one here, which weren't too bad, but I did find some, and they are clear. And they're the little suitcase, okay? Look at this. Now how cute would this be for like swaps or even for packaging? It's a little suitcase, okay? The little back does come up and the wheels actually roll. All you do is lift the little handle. Let's see. Lift the little handle, right? And open it up. Then you can stock it with stuff. Only downside is mine came cracked. Look at that. It's cracked. I don't know if you can see it, but mine is cracked, which is perm. Another thing that's cracked. But because this is kind of pricey, I am going to ask for a refund. So yeah, that is it for my haul. I hope you enjoyed it. I will have all the links below. If it's in stock, I will have the links below. Like I said, I do have a blog. Please follow. Real cool stuff that I find, I do add it there, so you can always go there and check it out. Do leave a comment. Let me know what you like to see on my channel, and I'll try to add new stuff. Make sure you like the video. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit the notifications so you know when I do upload a new video. And with that, you have a very blessed day. Bye bye.